something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know what I gotta say. I think we're onto something.
So here we are. You might notice there's a theme to this video, maybe just a little bit. We're in Texas, in Rockwall, Texas at a TA, and we're about to use our TSD card where we're actually going to save almost 30 cents a gallon on fuel. So stand by for fun. So here's where we put the card in. It's really simple. As you can see here in the menu, you're just going to go through the entire thing. They want first to know if you have a reward card, but we don't use that. And then they want to know if it's tractor or reefer. And if you're a single truck like me getting fuel, you're going to use the tractor. That means it's going to use this pump. And then it asks if you want DEF. We'll say yes, we want some DEF. And then it asks if we want a cash advance, and we don't, so we'll say no. And then it says any additional products, we say no. And then they want to know my control number, so and then it says remove the nozzle. So just like everybody else, you get ready to pump fuel. And so then you put the nozzle in like normal, but then on the pump you have to lift the handle. And then once it comes up, the pump will clear. And then we can start filming. Then we can start pumping our fuel. So the important thing to remember is this is a high-speed nozzle. And so you can literally put 30 gallons of gas on in 3 minutes. That's one thing you have to be careful with as well. We love our TSD. Once we get done with this, we'll go right back to using our OpenRoads, because I still call it TSD because I'm an old school guy. But still, OpenRoads is the program. So this is what we're doing, this is what we're making, and then right after that, we'll get some DEF. And then once we're done, we're going to put the nozzle back up. You can still see the foam down here. And it takes a while for it to go away. We're not going to be completely full. And now because we got DEF, of course we make sure that we always close the gas door, in this case diesel door, and then we're going to open our DEF. Sudoku. And the way we do this is so we make sure that we don't put DEF in our fuel, and we don't put fuel in our DEF. Either one of those would be really bad. Then we come over here, like it says, please remove the nozzle. So this is our DEF handle, and you'll notice it doesn't look like the other.
One of these things is not like the others.
And it's got this little itty bitty port that goes on. And then you push the button. Push the button and turn the DEF on. It'll zero the pumps again. And then we start the fuel. Now here's the important thing about DEF. It does have an automatic shutoff, and when you hit the automatic shutoff, that's when you want to stop. This is not one of those tanks you top off, because otherwise you'll spray urea everywhere. So it just shut off like that, and I'm not going to top it off. There's two little clips back there. You make sure it gets all the way down, and you put it back in. The important thing to remember is that the synthetic urea will crystallize everywhere. So you'll find when you get done, you'll have white residue in the bottom. If you spill a little bit, and with these pumps, you always spill a little bit, but it's okay. That's what we have truck washers for. Watch our Blue Beacon video about washing trucks, because they do singles by themselves. All right. That's it. TSD. We're here. We're there. We're gone.